to the DIY Depot. In this video, I'm excited to do an overview of the Olight Ostation 2 Pro 3-in-1 battery charging system. Now, before I get into the unboxing and the review of the product, just want to give you a couple reasons why I got this product to help you decide maybe whether or not this is worth it to you. Number one is that I have two little girls, so as you can imagine, between birthdays, holidays, other things that we're buying them gifts for, a lot of that stuff takes batteries, so I'm constantly running out of batteries and buying more. Number two is that every time I go to find batteries in the drawer, I don't know who's mixing them back in, but half of the batteries that are in there aren't actually charged up. So I get batteries, put them in the remote, doesn't actually work, throw them away, have to get new batteries. And number three is that batteries are actually one of the worst things for the environment. People just typically throw them away. They've got all kinds of harsh toxic chemicals in them. They go into a landfill. Eventually that acid leaks out, makes its way into the soil and into the water and food supply. So this will help significantly reduce the number of batteries that we're going through in a given year. Being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open and see what's inside. Got the charging block and cord right there. Instruction manual. Here's the actual charging station. And then it does also come with all the batteries, rechargeable batteries that go along with it, which is great. Okay, pull this out of its covering. There you can see the actual unit. It is very sleek looking, and I know you can't tell from the video, but it is very durable feeling as well. Now, before I show it in operation, just want to help you understand some of the features that this one has that I did not see in the other ones I looked at on the market. So this one here, you basically just drop the batteries in. It doesn't matter the polarity of them. It's going to automatically detect the polarity and then charge them accordingly. Another cool feature that this one has is it actually has got a screen built right into it, so you can easily tell the charging status of the batteries. Not a lot of the other ones I've seen on the market have that capability. And whenever this one's running, it's going to automatically charge them up to the capacity that it needs to be at, and then it's going to drop them into these drawers versus the other ones where it just charges them indefinitely, and then you have no idea, is it charged, is it ready to use or not. There's also this invalid battery bin down here. So if someone happens to drop in a battery that isn't rechargeable and it's not safe to try to charge it, it's going to automatically detect that and dump it into this bin here. Or if a battery just becomes damaged and overused over time and can no longer be recharged, it's going to dump it in there. So make sure that you have that peace of mind that it's only charging batteries when it's safe to do so. All right, I got some batteries here ready to go. You can see I intentionally flipped the polarity on them so that you can see that it's going to automatically detect that. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Let that fire up for a second. You can kind of see the screen coming on there. And that's going to automatically start detecting, is there any batteries for me to charge? So you can see, if I give you a little better view, these are just showing pending. And then it tells you the number of good batteries and if there happen to be any rejected batteries that were in there. So I'll go ahead and start with the AAA batteries. Open that up, dump those in there. And then I'm actually going to also do the AA batteries here in the back end. Those now are being automatically detected and sorted in the charging station. Okay, and then you can see that those populated there. I believe these are the AA ones, but it tells you the percent that they are charged, which is about 50% each. And then this is gonna automatically update as it starts charging. And there goes the AAA batteries as well, which you can see those are pretty much depleted, so they'll need to charge all the way back up. But you can see how quickly it's already starting to go back up here on the AA batteries. This one does have a pretty large capacity, so it's 12 AAA batteries and 12 AA batteries. So just to show you what it looks like whenever they're all in there, we already put 4 of them each in, so that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And because some are charging, you could probably actually put a couple more in there, but it is recommended to only do 12. then on the AA side, flip that around so you can see it. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it does have a pretty significant battery capacity as far as how many you can store at a time. And then whenever this is done charging these batteries, it's going to dispense them down into these trays here. So whenever you need batteries, just grab them out of there. And then it's going to automatically cycle in the next 2 batteries to begin charging them until there's no more batteries left to charge. So it's not like those manual ones where you can do 4 at a time and then you got to come back, take those 4 out, put 4 more in. It's going to do all 12 of them, and then you'll have a large supply of batteries to use. And then whenever they are depleted, just open it up, pop them back in, and then you can use them over and over again. This one's even got a mobile app where if you're on the go and you want to check the batteries, see what they're charged to, you can also do that here with their smartphone app. So you just open up the app. It's called Olight. Get it on the App Store or the Play Store. You're going to go here to the menu. Just click that little back arrow, settings icon, and then there's a connection button here. So this is what's going to allow it to be discovered by the smartphone app. And look, pretty lightning quick, it discovers it. So I'll click add there. Take a few moments while that gets added, but I do need to enter in my password, so I'm gonna do that off screen. Okay, so I just entered that off screen, click next, and that connected to my Wi-Fi network. As you can see there on the device, it also shows connected. But just to show you here, looks like you could do a firmware update, but I'll wait to do that till later. I can see, just like I can see on the screen here, the percent charging for the batteries, which that's been going up pretty quickly. And then also how much time is remaining until they become fully charged. And there's a couple other features in here as well if you'd like to pause the charging schedule or also set the wake sensor sensitivity. So pretty nice that there's an app there as well. But for the most part, you'll probably be using the screen on the device to check the battery levels. So if you're tired of always running out of batteries, having to go out to the store to get new ones like I was, check out the link in the description below and you can learn more about the Ostation 2 Pro to see if it's right for you. But really, if you're looking to save on batteries, help save with the environment, have everything organized in one place, this one does have all the features that you probably could want in a battery charging station. And personally, I could recommend this one more. So definitely check it out. I appreciate you hanging on till the end though. If you got value from this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. Otherwise, we'll see you here in the next one.